This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Pollen filter renewal. Open the driver's front door, remove the securing clips and withdraw the grey trim panel from under the fascia panel above the pedal assembly. Reach up the side of the heater housing assembly to the left-hand side of the clutch pedal and unclip the pollen filter cover. Grasp the tab on the end of the upper pollen filter and withdraw it from its position inside the heater housing unit. Reach back up to the heater housing and grasp the tab on the end of the lower pollen filter and slide the filter upwards inside the heater housing. Once the lower filter is in line with the opening, slide it out from the heater housing the same way as with the upper one. If possible, wipe clean the inside of the housing and then fit the lower pollen filter elements, making sure that they are correctly seated. As there is not much room between the clutch pedal and heater housing, the filter elements will need to be compressed slightly to get them into place. Take care not to damage the filter as it is fitted. Then fit the new upper filter.